As stewards of the earth, we have a moral obligation to respect and protect the natural world. Environmental ethics guides us to recognize that ecosystems, species, and natural resources have intrinsic value beyond their utility to humans. By embracing these principles, we advocate for sustainable practices, conversion efforts, and policies that prioritize biodiversity and ecosystem health. Through collective action and responsible decision making, we can ensure a harmonious coexistence with nature, safeguarding its beauty and diversity for present and future generations. By adopting environmental ethics, we recognize that all living beings deserve respect and consideration, and that our actions should aim to minimize harm and promote sustainability. This perspective encourages sustainable practices, conservation efforts, and policies that prioritize biodiversity, ecological balance, and the well-being of ecosystems. Embracing environmental ethics is crucial, not only for the health of our planet, but also for the ethical integrity of our actions as inhabitants of Earth.